Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of LibreCAD, one of the most well-known free open-sourced CAD applications out there, specifically for 2D computer-aided design. In this video, we'll cover everything: what it is, how it works, its pricing, the pros and cons, and what you can actually do with this software. So let's get started. LibreCAD is a completely free open source software that lets you create precise 2D technical drawings, and it works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. What makes this compelling is no subscriptions, no license fees, no trial periods, just pure unrestricted access to CAD tools for 2D drafting. LibreCAD has been around for a while, evolving from a fork of the CAD Community Edition. If you've ever wondered whether you can build professional-looking drawings without paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars, stick around because LibreCAD really took that idea seriously. And here's something cool. The interface and tools are reminiscent of what you'd see in professional CAD tools, meaning if you've used software like AutoCAD before, some of the commands and layouts will feel familiar, which can greatly shorten your learning curve. Now let us talk about the main features of LibreCAD. Core 2D drafting tools. LibreCAD lets you draw standard technical primitives like lines, circles, arcs, ellipses, splines, all with control over precision, angle, dimensioning, and snap tools that help lock to grid points or intersections. File supports. You can import and export. Yes, you can open and save industry standard file formats like DXF and DWG, which is huge if you're trying to share files with other CAD users or integrate with other tools. LibreCAD also lets you export to formats like PDF, SVG, and graphic image formats, which is great for sharing high-quality diagrams or printing. Then there's cross-platform and multilingual supports. It runs on all major desktop operating system platforms like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it's available in over 30 languages. So accessibility isn't limited by your location or language. Community supports. LibreCAD doesn't have a corporate help desk, but it does have a large active global community behind it. You can find tutorials, you can find forums, and shared resources to learn and troubleshoot pretty much anything that you need. So in short, it covers most of what you would do in a 2D CAD without paying anything. There's also customizable interface. Yes, the UI is adjustable to workflows. You can change tool palettes, window layouts, and organize drawings using layer management. And this helps keep drawings neat, organized, and easy to edit. Now, let us talk about the pricing of LibreCAD. LibreCAD is 100% free, as I earlier mentioned, and it's open sourced. So what are the pros and cons? The pros: it is totally free and open sourced. It works across different operating system platforms and has clean and focused 2D tools. There's also an active community support, and it is lightweight and efficient. How about the cons? There are no 3D modeling on LibreCAD, and the advanced tools are limited. The support you get here is only community driven. There are documentation gaps and there are occasionally clunky UI. So while it's great for many use cases, it isn't a drop-in replacement for large-scale CAD workflows. So here's the conclusion. Is LibreCAD really worth it? LibreCAD is very clear about what it is. Clearly stated that it is free, open-sourced, and a 2D CAD application. And in that mission, it succeeds extremely well. For anyone who needs detailed, precise 2D drawings, whether you're a student, a hobbyist, an aspiring engineer, or a small business owner looking to cut expenses, LibreCAD gives you everything you need without a single dollar out of your pocket. Although LibreCAD isn't the most powerful CAD software, but it is one of the most empowering, especially for folks who simply want to create accurate 2D drawings and technical plans without barriers. So if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore FreeCAD, SketchUp, and BricsCAD. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.